Stop waiting for an epiphany, because the sensation of being stuck is not a lack of talent. It is a biological safety measure called cognitive inhibition. You need to understand that your brain is not designed for innovation. It is a pattern-matching engine designed for survival efficiency. Its primary directive is to filter out irrelevant data to conserve metabolic energy, acting exactly like a strict spam filter for your consciousness. Here is the trap. When you sit down and strain to find a creative solution, you engage your prefrontal cortex. This part of your brain demands logic, which ironically tightens the spam filter and blocks out the chaotic, non-linear connections you actually need. You aren't uninspired, you are neurologically overregulated by your own attempt to focus. To fix this, you must stop trying to think your way out and instead use a system to break the loop. This mechanism is called conceptual blending. You must introduce a stochastic input, a completely random external variable, into your problem to shock the system. If you are solving a complex life problem, force a connection to a random object, like a rusty nail. Ask yourself, how is my problem like this nail? Is it corroded? Does it need leverage to remove? This exercise forces your brain to drop its logical guard and physically construct a new synaptic bridge between isolated networks. Creativity is not magic. It is just a biological mechanism that you can hack.